Hey guys, it's Shocky. Today's the combo. We've got the Fireworks team leader for the 4th of July, even though I'm Canadian. We're using the 2020 backbling just because it's like a firework and when you deal damage, it explodes. It looks cool. I think it's damage or elim, something like that. The proto-adamantium shield, because, you know, Captain America, 4th of July. We got the glider, the wild blast, because it's kind of like a firework, kind of, you know. It's blast related, and it's got like some bright colors. We got the firecracker freefall contract from last year's summer event, and the fireworks wrap, obviously. Let's go in game. I use the same wrap back to back, but that's fine. Here's the pickaxe. Okay, we're popping off at the edits. That triple edit's pretty clean. Let's get the side jump. Oh, forgot to build before doing the side jump, but that's fine. I'm going the wrong way. Whoa, Cryptic, are you good? Why do they look like that? It's weird. Let's take them out. Oh my gosh. There we go, take them all out. Show off the glider. Looks good. One of the better cosmetics from the Chapter 2 Season 2 Battle Pass, because I didn't really care for it too much. Could you imagine this glider? But like a Chapter 1 glider model? That'd be so nice. But yeah, that is it. Consider subscribing. Check out the all my other content. Use code Shocky in the item shop, #ad. And yeah, if you pick up anything in the shop, you know, make sure to use it. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy the gameplay. Let's go. Guys, I have work so soon. We gotta get this video recorded. I gotta edit it and schedule it for 1 o'clock before my shift starts. Let's go. No. I'm currently blowing my nose. Mid fight. I'm driving with one hand. Why do I gotta sneeze every time I'm playing? And recording specifically. Nope, they did not. I wish you stayed in that spot because you can't build there. Let's go. Hard hits. This is really annoying, but for the rest of the video, my mic glitched out and just kept repeating the last sound it heard, which was my stick moving. So you're just gonna hear a constant clicking. Kind of sounds like Vecna's after me. But yeah, enjoy the video. I can't do another video. We gotta go. This is me editing, you know. Okay, bye. Let's go. Enjoy. Sorry.